Unscrew the oil plug. Pour in 0.8 liters of vacuum pump oil. Check the oil window. 2/3 of the window height is optimal. Tighten the oil plug. Remove the exhaust port plug. Do not block the exhaust port with a plug. Installing the air filter. Install G3/4 double male thread connector. All threaded connections need to be wrapped with raw tape. Check the nameplate of the vacuum pump. Open the junction box and prepare for wiring. Connect the neutral wire first. Make sure the neutral wire is connected to the neutral terminal. The remaining 3 live wires can be connected at will. All 3 live wires are connected. Plug in the power plug. Test whether suction is generated. The vacuum gauge reads 0. A harsh vibrating sound can be heard. The current wiring is incorrect. Need to unplug the power plug. Arbitrarily change the position of 2 of the 3 living wires. I chose to change the positions of the red and black lines. If the wiring is correct, the impeller's rotation direction is consistent with the marked direction. Plug in the power again. This time the wiring is correct. Test the ultimate vacuum of the vacuum pump. The maximum vacuum is normal close to 1 bar. Vacuum flow rate test. Testing using a simple floating flow meter. The actual measurement is 18 cubic meters per hour. 3-phase vacuum pump installation and testing completed.